Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyce, and in today's video I want to show you another accessory that I bought that I use for my videos or even for the videos that I film for other clients. I think these will be very helpful. So one of the things that I use to make things smoother when I film videos is my iPad. And you may wonder, why do you use your iPad? Well, sometimes I used a teleprompter app, which is, by the way, called teleprompter. And I was using that before, but I really needed like a remote to go with it because I didn't have one. And I really needed to actually make things smoother. So I started to feel the need of this remote. So I'm gonna show you how I usually use this teleprompter app and how I am going to set up this remote as well. First, I'm gonna show you the iPad, and what I'm using right here is my iPad Air, and the app, you can find it on your Apple Store, and the app I'm using is called Teleprompter. Here it is. The one that I'm using is Teleprompter Premium. I'm gonna leave the link on the description on this video below so you can check it out. If you want to check it out first, you can also download the teleprompter free app, which is from the same company, is this one. And I actually started using this one first, and then I downloaded this one because I was just so happy by it. So once that you go and install the premium app, you will go here, and then this is the app that you have. So this is the app that you have, and right here I can keep all my scripts. You can organize it by folders. You can see that I have a lot of scripts right here, and you can add a new script right here and start either composing a new script or creating a new folder or import a new document as well. And I really needed to be a little bit farther from the camera sometimes, so I could have a little bit more of space between the background and myself and the camera. And this remote came very handy for that teleprompter app. So I could control this better from farther away without having to move around as much as I did before. I got myself this little remote. It's called 8-bit do, and I am going to pair it with my iPad so I can control the teleprompter app with this remote. Let's open it. And as you can see, it's really small. See, it's the size of a finger, and it can fit the palm of my hand. And it only comes with this strap just to put it on your wrist like this, and you can keep it here. And you can put this right here if you want to, or you can use it without this. It comes with instruction manual, and also it comes with this cable. This is a USB, and this is another type of connection. Let's set it up with the teleprompter. Once that you have your script ready, you can just go to settings right here and tap on remote control right here. And in this case, you will select the game controller because this is what we got. As you can see, you have a lot of options here to the controls that you can have. You can even set it up with the iOS control right here, but in this case I chose not to use my phone because sometimes I get some phone calls, and this was a pretty cheap option in the market. It was just a few bucks. I will put it on the screen, and it is very small, so I just thought that it was more convenient to have this one. Okay, so let's go to settings, and now let's go to Bluetooth, and here you can see that it says Pro Controller right here. I have to press A and start to turn on the controller. A and start. And it will start flashing 3 times. And now it says press select button for 3 seconds to enter its pairing mode. As you can see, the LED is blinking rapidly. Now let's go and pairing it here in the Bluetooth. Let's type Pro Controller, and now it's set. The LED light is solid, so that means that the connection is successful. So this is how I usually set up my equipment. I have my lighting here and I have my teleprompter right here. The teleprompter that I use is this one, which is Glide Gear. As you can see it here, the Glide Gear teleprompter. It has been working very good for me, and you can also attach the microphone in this side. And I usually use this iPad, my iPad Air. Everything will be linked on the description down below if you're interested in knowing what I am using. And what I do is just to bring my iPad and I will set it up right here. I have my iPad mirroring to the teleprompter, and this has been working great because I am seated right here in this chair, and I'm just focusing my view to the teleprompter, and you can only see that I am talking to the camera, right? So this is a great way, but what I usually do is just I have these 2 remotes on my hands, and one is for the camera and the other one is for the teleprompter app. And actually, because the camera usually is under this box and you need it to be covered up so I can really see what is in the teleprompter. In order for me to go and turn on or turn off the camera, I just need to do this. And whenever I'm scrolling, I have to do this as well. So I was losing a lot of memory on my card while I was doing that, and I had to cut off a lot of parts of my videos while I was editing to fix the video, so you didn't have to see all those things while I was scrolling or turning on or off the camera. So these 2 remotes have been really helpful in this video. I'm specifically talking about this one, but in this other video you will be able to watch the review and unboxing of this other remote for the camera. Okay, so here you can see from my perspective, from where I'm seated, what I usually see on the teleprompter. So what I'm doing is, in order to start moving the script back and forth, what I do is just do this, and right there is just completely finished. So I will have to scroll all the way down so I can see it again. As you can see, I'm just using this button right here. Okay, and if I want to start, I just press the A button right here, press it, and it starts scrolling. And if you need it like wider, you will tap the right arrow, it will zoom in on the letters. And if you want to zoom out, you want the letter smaller, you will just press on the left arrow. And then if you want to make it faster, like for example, if we started, if you want to make it slower, you will tap on this button right here or click on this one to make it faster. And as you can see, there is the bunny for the speed. So these make it super fast and these will make it slower. So basically you will be using these to scroll up or down, these to zoom in or zoom out, and these for speed, and this one to start. You just use this one for the purpose of pairing it with the iPad. And so this is how this little remote has helped me to improve my videos and my video recording while avoiding to go and scroll down, and then I will look like this just scrolling on my iPad, and this way I can avoid it using this little remote control that I can just hold on my hand while I am talking to the camera. And as you can see, even if I do this, you cannot really see that I have this remote in my hand because it's so small that I can just do this and it's unseen. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.